Hello, my name is Laura Evans. I'm the music teacher at Woodland Elementary School, and I hope that with this video that you can find something fun to do at home with music. First of all, everywhere you go, when you're outside, you hear music by the birds singing. You can hear construction workers making sounds where they are creating rhythms just by what they're doing. Music is everywhere that you are around you. So today I'm going to show you several things that you can use at home to create your own rhythm band. First of all, if you have a plastic container at home and you have rice or you have rocks or you have sand, you can make your own little shaker by taking your little container, taking your rice. You can fill it halfway full. You can fill it 3/4 of the way full. You can just kind of experiment to see what kind of sound you like. And if you do that, you're going to have your own little shaker. Listen. So you can use a shaker to create one pattern. Another pattern that you could create is with a simple ball. It could be a tennis ball, it could be a soccer ball, it could be where you're bouncing it or whether you're tapping it. Just a simple ball bouncing creates another pattern. Can create a steady beat or a little accent sound. I brought something else with me today, just simple pot and pan. Say you want to add a little tone to your rhythm band, you could have just a pot and pan, a knife or a fork or the back of a spoon, and just tapping. And create your own little pattern, and you could use that with your tennis ball bouncing together. If there was more of me, then we would be able to do more. You would be able to hear all these sounds together, but you could use the tennis ball, you could use the pots and pans together, and you could use the shaker all at one time. Something else that I had at home was an old broomstick. The broom has now come off, but it's a great way to just add an accent sound. So you could take the broomstick, your shaker, your tennis ball, and your pot and pan and create some really cool sounds together. You could experiment on fast sounds and slow sounds, long sounds and short sounds. And then if you have a bucket, paint sticks, or hands, you could even create other rhythm patterns. Or even sliding. Or finally, you could sit on it and make a different kind of sound than just banging something on the side. So today, I would like to challenge you to create your own rhythm band at home, your own little music band at home, and be able to enjoy music and enjoy being on the outside of any of these days. I hope you all have a great week. Signing off, Laura Evans from Woodland Elementary School.